guys, AGeekyChick here, and today we are doing something a little bit different than our normal gameplay. To celebrate Princess and the Frog coming to Disney Magic Kingdoms, we are going to be making some of Tiana's famous buttermilk beignets. The recipe is coming straight from her cookbook. I found this cookbook at Half Price Bookstore. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me make more recipes from it. If you paid close attention to the Disney Magic Kingdom's live stream, you would have noticed that one of Tiana's tokens required to welcome and level her up is a plate of beignets. Alright, let's get started. You're going to need 3 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. You're also going to need 1 cup of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of water, 1 egg beaten, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, vegetable oil for frying, and powdered sugar for dusting. In a medium-sized bowl, combine all your dry ingredients. That's your flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and nutmeg. Use a whisk to mix it all together. In a separate large bowl, add together your buttermilk, water, egg, and vanilla extract. Then stir in the flour mixture from the first step. Now dust the surface with flour and place your dough down. With a rolling pin or your hands, press it into a large 1/2 inch thick square / rectangle. We added more flour when it started to get too sticky. Slice the dough into 2.5 inch squares. The recipe says that it should make 14 to 16 squares. Remember, if you are a kid, never use a knife or oven without the help and supervision of an adult. Next up is frying the beignets. Place 2 to 3 beignets in your heated oil. The recipe book said heat the oil to 325 degrees on a deep fat thermometer. Fry the beignets for 3 minutes on each side. Place them on a rack or paper towel to drain. We used a paper towel. Dust with powdered sugar and enjoy. Okay, so we have just finished making them and we're gonna put them to the test. You already got yours. Alright, let me get one. Oh, it's really good.
It's a little crunchy on the top. Not too crunchy though.
What?
That's something like that.
And it wasn't that difficult. What do you think?
No, it's easy.
Well, alright guys, thanks for watching and I will see you all next time.